Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a snow-covered Christmas tree with presents for today's Lego brick tutorial. First, let's make some simple gifts, starting with a 1x1 brick. I'm going to place a transparent yellow stud right on top for a bow. And for a slightly larger present, start with a 1x2 plate. I'm going to set down another 1x2 plate right on top. And a 1x2 jumper plate, followed by a transparent green stud. For another present, I'll take a 2x2 plate, set down a set of 1x2 plates on top, followed by a 2x2 jumper plate and a red stud to complete this present. For a large present, we're going to take a 2x3 plate. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to place several 1x2 plates on the bottom. Now, I'm using the red plates for the ribbon and the bright green plates for the color of the box. Now I'm going to flip this back over right in the center, a 1x2 jumper plate and a set of 1x2 tiles to finish off the sides, and a blue stud for a bow. For the base of our Christmas tree, take a 2x2 round brick that has what looks like some legs on the bottom. That's going to be the trunk of our tree. And I'm going to take a 1x3 brick with inverted arch. I'm going to place a transparent stud on the end. I'm going to make 8 of these in different colors, and I'm going to place these on the modified 2x2 round brick. Now I want to kind of put different colors on the bottom. I don't want to use the same, so if I run across the ones I did, I'm just going to set those off to the side because we'll put those on the second tier. Place these on as shown, where it looks like that. Now I got this red one here. I'm going to start over here and just place it in there. You don't want to have too many yellow bulbs in one area or some red ones, so I'm just going to place these right here. Let's put this blue one here, and then we'll put the green one here. And see, now everything's pretty much different. Next, we're going to take a 1x2 brick with inverted arch. I'm going to place a transparent stud right here on this end. I'm going to make 8 of these in various colors. And I'm going to place these right here. Same thing we did before. I'm going to kind of separate the colors a bit. We'll put a green one here. We're just going to work our way around. That depends if the parts don't want to run away from me. Now see how I have a blue, yellow, and green? I'm going to stick a red one right here. I'm just going to continue on here. Like this side's missing the blue. We'll put a blue one there. Give that a nice home. And here we need to put a green. Let those get acquainted with each other. Get all that lined up. Don't worry, we'll strengthen all that up in a bit. So now it takes care of the limbs. I want to lock this together with a 2x2 final dome brick right there, followed by a hollow stud on the top, because I'm going to stick this sign in here. But before I do, I want to add a little star. So I'm going to take one of these little star pieces right here and place that right inside to complete the Christmas tree.